Killer Mark Goudeau is appealing for his life. Goudeau's attorneys want his death penalty sentence set aside. ABC 15's Katie Connor just stepped out of that courtroom. Katie, what can you tell us?
Well, Mark Goudeau's attorney spent most of his 40 minutes explaining why the jury and judge got the verdict wrong during the first trial. He spent a lot of time talking about how some of the counts against Goudeau should not have been lumped together. He says that it led to a biased jury because if a victim said that they had noticed Goudeau during the burglary, then it would easily link him to the murders. And Goudeau's attorney says that's not fair, and that led again to a biased jury. Goudeau's attorney also spent a lot of time talking about something very interesting, saying that Phoenix police flooded the media with pictures of Goudeau before he was even ID'd. He said it was not right and was not fair to Goudeau that Phoenix police had media there and was showing all of his pictures for days before he was actually properly ID'd. He says once again that led to a tainted jury because once they, if someone had seen Goudeau on the news, then was called to attend jury duty and saw Goudeau, that it would instantaneously link Goudeau to the murders and possibly lead again to that biased jury. The state just stood up about 2 minutes ago. That's when I actually stepped outside to come talk to you, Dan and Danielle. I'll run back up in there. But he did talk a little bit before I left, saying that the crimes should have been all lumped together. He says that the disguises were all similar in all of the crimes, whether it was the robbery or whether it was the murder, and that's why it was allowed for the state to combine all of those crimes together. Of course, this story will continue throughout the hour, and we will keep you updated on what happens inside. Dan, Danielle?